this whole thing. Woo! That's Ray Ray! Oh my God, they're so...
We're gonna be doing like all these stories and things tonight, so stay tuned to that.
Rachel, I'm putting this on YouTube.
Oh, hey! Don't forget to follow me. Hey. Rachel Scott.
Her name's Rachel Scott, obviously. That's her name. It's like so bright, like it lights up the whole sky. It's beautiful. Sorry I didn't do it. What? 1, 2, 3. Ah! 1, 2, 3. Woo! Jesus, Rachel, that's freaking loud. I love fireworks. So bright, so loud. Like, it's just beautiful. I'm really sorry I didn't do an introduction, but too busy watching beautiful fireworks. You would understand. Like, look, that's so bright. 4th of July is directly the 4th. We're down, Rachel. We're down in Middletown. We'll tag where we are at and when you can see them next 4th of July. So, I'm sorry. I'm going to be sending out information for next year's 4th of July. And if you want to come, I might be coming next year so you can meet me and stuff like that. So she'll be coming next year. And you will get a chance to see me and Rachel together next year if you come. And if you recognize me, you can come, you can say hi. And everything.
If you guys come down and say hi to me.
We don't care if we're in line getting food. We don't care. We want to meet our fans and subscribers. So me and Rachel, you will recognize Rachel, maybe not me, since this is my first video. First ever video. First ever video. I freaking love this.
I'm twisting.
Look at her. This is so fun. So, I think me and Rachel are gonna go sit. Woo! Rachel! What the? Oh my God, we're testing. So, this is so fun. I love fireworks. I know you can't see my face right now, but whatever. No, it's okay. This is me. Oh, that hurts my eyes. So, yeah, that's me. I'm gonna pause real quick so me and Rachel can talk and stuff like that. So, bye, peace.
Bye. See you later.
Bye, see you later. Mwah.